Ever pondered on the origin of Bitcoin, the first digital currency to solve the double spending problem without the need for a central authority? This journey takes us back to 2008, a year of financial crises and bailouts. Amid this turmoil, an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto published a 9-page document titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This white paper, released on the 31st of October, was the inception of Bitcoin, laying the groundwork for a decentralized digital currency. The white paper was a masterstroke of ingenuity, explaining how a peer-to-peer network could prevent double spending, a long-standing issue in digital cash systems. It proposed a system where transactions would be verified by network nodes and recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Not long after, on the 3rd of January 2009, Nakamoto mined the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, famously known as the Genesis block or Block 0. Encoded in this block was a text that read, "The Times 03 Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." This was a headline from the Times newspaper, a cryptic nod to the financial instability of the time. Nakamoto continued to contribute to Bitcoin's development until 2010, collaborating with other early adopters and making alterations to the source code. However, Nakamoto's identity remained shrouded in mystery. Despite speculation and numerous investigations, the person or group behind the pseudonym remains unknown. Nakamoto's anonymity has given Bitcoin an almost mythical origin story, adding to its allure and intrigue. And so, against a backdrop of global financial uncertainty, the world witnessed the birth of a new form of currency. This wasn't just any currency, it was a decentralized digital one, free from the control of any central authority. A currency that promised transparency, security, and freedom from financial institutions. This was Bitcoin. Thus, the world witnessed the birth of a new form of currency, one that would redefine the concept of money. From its inception, Bitcoin has faced numerous challenges and milestones. So, what happened in the early years of Bitcoin? Let's take a step back to 2010, Bitcoin's infancy. The first real-world transaction took place in that year, marking a significant milestone in Bitcoin's history. The transaction was between two individuals, Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, and a man named Hal Finney, a developer and early cryptocurrency enthusiast. Nakamoto had transferred 10 Bitcoins to Finney, and in doing so, illustrated the practical potential of this digital currency. This first transaction opened the doors to a new world of possibilities, and soon after, the first exchange platform was established. This platform allowed people to trade Bitcoin for traditional currencies, creating a marketplace for the new digital asset. The exchange platform was a game-changer, paving the way for the rise of Bitcoin's value and the expansion of its user base. And then came the infamous Pizza Day. On the 22nd of May 2010, a man named Laszlo Hanyecz made history by purchasing 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, this might sound like an extravagant amount, but back then, Bitcoin was worth less than a penny. This event, now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day, marked the first time Bitcoin was used to purchase a physical good, further cementing its real-world utility. However, these early years were not just about milestones. They were also about volatility. Bitcoin's value fluctuated wildly, with prices soaring and plummeting in a matter of days or even hours. This volatility was a testament to Bitcoin's experimental nature, and it was a stark reminder of the risks and rewards inherent in this new form of currency. Despite the ups and downs, Bitcoin continued to grow, gaining recognition and stirring curiosity. The early years of Bitcoin were a roller coaster ride, filled with challenges, breakthroughs, and a whole lot of pizzas. But through it all, Bitcoin persisted, laying the foundation for what it has become today. A revolutionary digital currency that has forever changed the way we think about money. But when did Bitcoin start to gain traction in mainstream society, and what hurdles did it face along the way? Let's take a trip back to 2011. Bitcoin, a fledgling digital currency, achieves a significant milestone. It reaches parity with the US dollar. This was no small feat for an asset that was virtually unheard of just a couple of years prior. As Bitcoin started to gain traction, the media played a crucial role in its popularization. News outlets, blogs, and forums started to buzz with chatter about this innovative digital currency. This exposure led to a broader understanding and acceptance of Bitcoin, as more people began to grasp its potential. However, with this increased attention came significant challenges. Bitcoin's journey wasn't always smooth sailing. In fact, it faced a storm of controversy and regulatory scrutiny. One of the most infamous incidents in Bitcoin's history was the Mt. Gox hack. Mt. Gox, once the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, was hacked in 2014, leading to the loss of hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins. This event shook the community and raised questions about the security and reliability of digital assets. Around the same time, Bitcoin was making headlines for another reason: the Silk Road incident. The Silk Road was an online black market, notorious for its illicit activities and for its use of Bitcoin as a form of payment. The eventual seizure and shutdown of Silk Road by law enforcement agencies brought Bitcoin under intense scrutiny. Some began to associate it with criminal activity, further complicating its path to mainstream adoption. Regulatory challenges also emerged as governments around the world grappled with how to classify and regulate Bitcoin. These challenges ranged from taxation issues to legal recognition, and they continue to evolve even today. Even amidst controversy and challenges, Bitcoin emerged resilient, further solidifying its position in the financial world. Its journey serves as a testament to the resilience and potential of decentralized digital currencies. Fast forward to the present day, how has Bitcoin evolved over the years? One of the significant milestones in Bitcoin's journey has been the halving events. In Bitcoin's code, every 4 years, the reward for mining new blocks is halved, hence the term halving. There have been 3 such events so far, with the most recent one occurring in May 2020. These halving events are pivotal as they reduce the rate at which new Bitcoin is created, making it scarcer and potentially more valuable over time. Another noteworthy development is the implementation of segregated witness, or SegWit. Deployed in August 2017, SegWit was designed to solve the issue of Bitcoin's scalability by increasing the block size limit. By doing so, it paved the way for the network to process more transactions, making Bitcoin more practical for everyday use. But as with any innovation, Bitcoin too faced its share of internal disagreements. One such disagreement led to the creation of Bitcoin Cash in August 2017. This hard fork was a result of a section of the community seeking larger block sizes for better scalability, thus leading to a split and the birth of a new cryptocurrency. The past few years have also seen a surge in Bitcoin's price, leading to increased interest and adoption by institutional investors. Names such as MicroStrategy, Tesla, and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, reflecting its growing acceptance as a digital asset. Moreover, Bitcoin's use in various sectors is expanding. From real estate to digital art and even charity, Bitcoin is slowly but surely becoming a part of our everyday lives. Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, shaping and influencing the global financial landscape. Its story is a testament to the potential of technology and the power of a decentralized, peer-to-peer network. It's a narrative of resilience and evolution, and we're excited to see where it heads next. Reflecting upon Bitcoin's history, what can we learn from it, and what does it tell us about its future? As we trace the arc of Bitcoin's trajectory, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global phenomenon, we can't help but appreciate its resilience. Despite the hurdles and skepticism it faced, Bitcoin stood firm, demonstrating the power of a decentralized system. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of innovation and the relentless pursuit of an alternative to traditional financial systems. In its early years, Bitcoin was a novel concept, a glimmer of potential in the vast expanse of the digital universe. It was met with curiosity, intrigue, and yes, a fair share of doubt. It was a radical departure from what we knew and understood about money and value. As it gained traction, it began to reshape our perception of what a currency could be. It challenged the status quo and inspired a wave of other cryptocurrencies, each bringing their unique value propositions to the table. This proliferation of digital currencies has transformed the financial landscape, opening up new avenues for transactions and investments. Bitcoin's journey hasn't been without its share of challenges. It faced regulatory scrutiny, security concerns, and market volatility. Yet each challenge served as a catalyst for growth, pushing the boundaries and inspiring improvements. Looking ahead, the future of Bitcoin seems promising. Its potential for growth is vast, especially as more businesses accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and more investors recognize its value as a digital asset. The transformative impact of Bitcoin extends beyond the financial realm. It's paving the way for a future where decentralization, transparency, and inclusivity are the norms rather than the exceptions. So, what does Bitcoin's history teach us? It shows us that change is not only possible but inevitable. It reminds us that innovation often comes with uncertainty and risk, but the rewards can be profound. As we stand on the brink of a potential financial revolution, one thing is certain: Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of decentralization.